Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Lakwatsirong Butiki. Mula doon sa makasaysayang simbahan ng Purak, Pampanga, ang Santa Catalina de Alejandria Parish Church, o mas tanyag sa tawag na Purak Church. Nakatawid na ang Butiki ngayon dito sa makasaysayan rin na simbahan ng Arayat, Pampanga, ang Saint Catherine of Alexandria Parish Church, o mas kilala rin sa pangalan na Arayat Church. Samahan niyo ako dito guys! The municipality of Arayat is a first-class municipality in the province of Pampanga. According to the 2020 census, it has a population of 144,875 people. Arayat is bordered with Candaba, Mexico, Magalang, Santa Ana, and Cabiao in Nueva Ecija. A large portion of Mount Arayat is located within this municipality. Arayat is 22 kilometers from San Fernando and 88 kilometers from Manila. Saint Catherine of Alexandria Parish Church, also referred to as the Arayat Church, is Renaissance-style Roman Catholic Church in Arayat, Pampanga. Since its initial construction during the late 1700s, it has been subjected to major alterations and changes such as addition of decorative ornaments and reliefs and repainting works. On August 29, 1590, Bishop Domingo Salazar approved the request of Augustinians to establish its first mission at the town of Arayat. In 1600, Fray Contreras established the parish church of Arayat. The church was dedicated to Saint Catherine of Alexandria, a 4th century martyr. She was considered as one of the most important saints of the medieval period. Her feast day is celebrated every 25th of November. Saint Catherine of Alexandria Parish Church was built in 1753, based on the canonical books stating that baptismal activities have been conducted by Fray Villalobos since 1758. At present, it belongs to the parish of the Vicariate of Mary, Help of Christians, in the Archdiocese of San Fernando. Father Jose Torres made restorations on the church in 1858. Father Juan Tarrero continued the restoration work initiated by Father Jose Torres. However, he was not able to finish it due to the Philippine Revolution. Father Urbano Biduya, in 1892, he finished the restoration work begun by his predecessors. St. Catherine of Alexandria Parish Church measures 250 feet long, 52 feet wide. It is 39 feet in height. The Renaissance-style facade is characterized with its frontal arcade on the second level of Celtic-like cross windows on the sides. Another feature is the pediment with its axial feature of a blind pointed archway framing a small semicircular arch window placed underneath a superimposed gabled plane. An image of St. Catherine is located at the portico of the church, while a separate antique image is located at the main altar. The bell tower at the left has chamfered corners and was covered by a domical roof. At present, it has been replaced by intersecting gabled roofs. A marble engraving is present at the topmost part of the arch main doorway. It states, Juan Medina Luisa Gabriel, donantes de los 20,000 pesos para la reparación de esta iglesia de Arayat, 1923. Mula naman dito sa Saint Catherine of Alexandria Parish Church, dito sa Arayat, Pampanga, babalikan muna ng butiki ang Candaba, Pampanga. Isang makasaysayang simbahan rin ang tutubukin ko doon, ang San Andres Apostol Parish Church, o mas kilala rin sa tawag na Candaba Church. Abangan nyo ko doon, guys! Bye-bye!